In this video I'm gonna quickly explain how we can use Essential Space on the CMF Phone 2 Pro. So the main idea behind Essential Space is that we have access to this essential key that we have on the right side of the phone, and it allows you to quickly create a note that you can save in the Essential Space. And you can, I don't know, like add some texts, descriptions, plans, etc., any ideas that you have on your mind at a given moment. So if I press the essential key, then the phone will pretty much capture this screenshot, I believe, and we can add a note. We can also create a voice recording over here. So let's say I'm gonna add a simple note. Let's write something and let's proceed. And this simple note has been written in the Essential Space. Of course, Essential Space is an app that we can find, for example, in the app drawer. So in this case, let's get started. Let's grant all these permissions. There we go. You can also double press the Essential Space in order to proceed. And there we go. Over here we have our memory, which allows us to check whatever we have saved, all our notes. Besides that, memories can be stored in collections. So you can create a collection over here in this example. You can also find some settings over here in the top right corner, as you can see here. So you can choose a different language detection. We can find the storage usage and so on and so forth. So this is how it works. If I press the essential key once, then I'm just create the note. And if I tap once again to save, I don't have to press this arrow. I can just press this button again in order to save. And there we go. In this case, I have saved the whole screenshot. Maybe if I go to the home screen, it will look a little bit differently. There we go. I can also tap on the screenshot in order to select if I actually want to capture it or not. So if I save now, and if I go to Essential Space, then I should be able to find, there we go. Of course, we can do both. We can use the screenshot and also write a note, or we can also create the voice recording as I mentioned before. So you can do whatever you want in, well, not literally everything you want or anything you want, but you can use screenshots with notes or screenshots with voice recording. And this is like a fancy note app that allows you to create quick notes right from the get-go, so you don't have to go through the app drawer, or you don't have to look for the note app or anything like that. So that's pretty much it. This is the functionality of the Essential Space. You cannot really change the functionality of the essential key. It is strictly used for Essential Space, so you cannot like unbind it or something. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.